In this home at 100 Palms, the natural color and texture of wood laminate run through the entire home space. These lines, tones, and contrast is a source of inspiration with its very own unique charm. Creating a minimalist luxe interior space, we use mirrors to reflect light into the home, amplifying the space with multiple open shelvings for displaying what the homeowner loves. Making the most out of the balcony, by truly maximize the use of the outdoor areas. Incorporating the wood trend and flow into the bedroom of the house, along with the glass shelves for homeowners to display memorable items that they want to showcase. Carving out an extra space with the bedroom, with this simple and sleek tinted glass panel, making room splitting that does not feel too compact nor clutter up.